Let's see how Windows Autopilot simplifies device setup for organizations. First, the hardware vendor extracts the device hardware ID and registers it with the Windows Autopilot service. Next, the IT administrator creates a Windows Autopilot profile inside Microsoft Intune. This profile defines how devices should be configured, such as joining Azure Active Directory, applying policies, and enrolling into Intune. The profile is synchronized between Microsoft Intune and Windows Autopilot, so that every registered device knows which setup rules to follow. Now, the device is delivered directly to the end user without IT needing to touch it. When the user unboxes the device and signs in with their Azure Active Directory account, Windows Autopilot automatically applies the company's configuration profile. The device is then enrolled into Intune, where applications, security policies, and settings are pushed down automatically. In just a few steps, the device is ready to use with no manual setup required. That's the power of Windows Autopilot.